I got this in the mail and it's from Earth Echo, and I know they were sending me some Cacao Bliss, which can be used for like hot chocolate and stuff like that. So I thought I'd open this up with you to see what it's all about. How pretty is that, huh? It comes with a nice packaging. It's all paper. And then what's in here? Oh, look at that. A cacao lover's cookbook. Very beautifully designed. Cacao donuts. Why not? Chocolate almond bar. Cacao truffles. Oh my god. This stuff sounds really good. Chocolate banana muffins. Can you imagine if all that stuff was nutritious? You can make it. Wow. Chocolate chip pancakes. Chocolate chip pancake. You can make it with almond flour, Cacao Bliss. This cacao is supposed to be very healthy for you. Well, as you know, cacao is really healthy for you. Let's see. Oh, what's this? Oh, they gave me a little mug. Oh, how pretty. So pretty, huh? Actually looks very Japanese, in fact. And then this must be the Cacao Bliss. Oh yeah. Wow. So this is ceremonial grade cacao blended with turmeric, MCT, Usuma, and 4 superfoods. It supports mental focus, boosts your energy, and reduces cravings. Wow, and it's all organic. How awesome is that? So when I try this, I will most definitely record it and see what it's all about. This is very exciting. Can't wait. And they gave me this frother. How fancy. Oh my god, so I can really make. This is actually a great idea for as like a Christmas gift for anybody you know who loves chocolate. I mean, who doesn't know somebody who loves chocolate? Like this is like a great gift for me actually. Oh my god. You know, so it's like you're not giving them like the sweet chocolate that's full of horrible sugar. Give them something healthy and they can still satisfy their craving for cacao or for chocolate. Awesome. I can't wait to try this. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make the hot chocolate, Cacao Bliss hot chocolate. It's asking for a 1/2 cup boiling water, 1/4 cup unsweetened coconut milk, a teaspoon of coconut oil, a scoop of Cacao Bliss, and some raw honey. And then I'm gonna whisk it together with my little fancy thing that they gave me. Okay, so I have my, as many Asians do, we have our fancy water heater here. So I'm gonna, like a 1/2 cup, I'm just gonna eyeball it, it's fine. Then a 1/4 cup of this, of coconut milk. I love coconut milk. If I can open it. It's even better. Okay. And then a teaspoon of oil, coconut oil. That just goes in there. And then how much? 1 scoop. So this comes with a scooper, which is kind of nice. Whoa. Okay. So of course this is pure cacao, so it doesn't already have sugar in it, and that's why we have 1 teaspoon of raw sugar, or maple syrup, or stevia, and I will eyeball this as well. And if you don't like it too sweet, then just put less. And then we'll spin it. It's done. You get to check it out. I guess with some whipped cream would be awesome too. That is so nice. Oh my god, you should totally try this. This is so nice. If you have friends or family who like chocolate, this is healthy because it's not sugar. If you're interested in actually trying it out, Modern Aging viewers gets 15% off. All you have to do is go to earthechofoods.com/modernaging. I think that's awesome. They have all these other products that you can try out also. But if you have a chocolate lover in your circle of people, you got to try it out. It's so good.